When it comes to buying a home in our local market, stylish, move-in ready properties are highly valued by home buyers. In fact, homes that feel updated, bright, and have a contemporary style fetch much higher prices in our local market. As a homeowner looking to sell your property for top dollar, you might be wondering what it'll take to get your home looking and feeling updated. The truth is, it's probably not as much as you think. What if you knew about a program that can get your home updated to sell for top dollar and you wouldn't have to pay until your home sells? Sound interesting? My Renovate Now and Pay Later program may be just what you're looking for. If you're thinking of selling, you'll want to stay tuned to learn more about how I can help you get top dollar for your home. Hi, I'm Vinicius Brasil with the Brasil Group and Keller Williams. I'm a top agent here in Santa Clara County, helping home buyers and home sellers make great real estate decisions. Today, I want to talk to you about our Renovate Now and Pay Later program, which helps homeowners like you get your homes updated and sold for top values. If this is the first time on my channel, consider giving this video a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more videos about tips and information regarding real estate here in Silicon Valley, please be sure to subscribe. Our Renovate Now and Pay Later program is designed to make it easier for homeowners who don't have the time, know-how, or the cash to pay for renovations. Our team of expert designers, remodelers, and project managers will quickly update your home, saving you time and money. Best of all, you pay for the renovations at the close of escrow, and there are no hidden fees or catches. How does the Renovate Now and Pay Later service work? The Renovate Now and Pay Later program is part of our complete home selling solution, which covers all the aspects of selling a home, from renovating, complimentary staging, marketing, selling, and managing the transaction from beginning to end. The first step in the complete selling solution is the home evaluation. During the home evaluation, we review the market analysis of your home and prepare a proposal for the important updates as well as the costs that will get your home the maximum return on your investment. The next step is the home preparation. We get to work selecting materials and paint colors, coordinating contractors, and supervising the project until completions. Projects can involve flooring, painting, drywall repair, and texturing, remodeling bathrooms, kitchens, and updating fixtures and lighting, installation of a new roof, garage door, as well as landscaping. The updates are carefully planned out to add value to your home and maximize your return. You benefit from lower remodeling costs, a faster turnaround, and you don't have to manage any aspect of the project. Lastly, you can defer the costs until the close of escrow when your home sells and the proceeds hit your account. Here are some before and after shots of our Renovate Now and Pay Later projects. The benefits of our Renovate Now and Pay Later home services: it increases your home value and sales price. One of the most significant advantages of renovating your home before selling is that it can increase its value. Home buyers are often willing to pay more for a move-in ready home, which means that renovations can help your home sell faster and for a higher price. No upfront costs. Renovating can be expensive, and many homeowners may not have the necessary funds to complete the renovation themselves. With the Renovate Now and Pay Later program, homeowners can benefit from selling their home for top value and pay when their home closes. Hassle-free renovations. Renovating a home can be a stressful, time-consuming, and expensive process. With the Renovate Now and Pay Later program, you have a team working to take care of all the aspects of the renovation process, saving you time and money. For over 20 years, I've helped hundreds of home sellers get top dollar for their homes using our Renovate Now and Pay Later program. If you have any questions about Renovate Now and Pay Later, please contact me directly. I'm happy to set up a free, no obligation evaluation of your home. Thanks for watching. This is Vinicius Brazil with the Brazil Group and Keller Williams.